Hello PhotoPillers, Rafael the Bar here. We are in a PhotoPills expedition to Dubai and Abu Dhabi, and now we are in Abu Dhabi about to photograph the sun setting behind the mosque of Abu Dhabi. As you see, we have clouds in the sky, we have a special permit to be here photographing this amazing place, and the sun is setting right behind the mosque. So if we're lucky, we don't have clouds at the horizon, we might even have a cool red sky. Let's see what happens. And this is our shooting spot. You see how beautiful is the reflection of the mosque in this memorial here. We're all set for action. The sun will be setting right there. And there will be a moment that we'll cross the minaret and maybe we're gonna get the sun star if the clouds allow us. Otherwise, I mean guys, if we have red skies, what can we ask more for? Oh, by the way, the minaret is more or less 107 meters tall. Let me show you the plan. Okay, and this is the plan. We are right at the shooting spot, the red pin position, and in front of us we have the mosque. The sun will be setting in the direction of this thick yellow orange line, and around 16 p.m. Today is February 14th, 2025. Now it's 4:36 p.m. Let me show you the scene with the AR. Tap on AR button to visualize the scene. As you see, the sun is a bit off, so I'll calibrate the view. I'm gonna calibrate it more like this. So yeah, this is the sun setting right over there. And yeah, pretty amazing shot. What do you think, guys? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments. Guys, look, it's gonna happen. Now we have a pretty beautiful sunset. It seems that the clouds, there are no clouds behind the mosque. So maybe we're gonna have super epic sunset. Actually, it's already epic. Imagine this red. Can't wait. Guys, look at the clouds. Wow, picking up all the light. Ooh. What do you recommend to shoot a scene like this?
This is one of the most beautiful sunsets I've seen here at Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. So for this sort of shot, obviously we've got the really bright sky behind the mosque and it's silhouetting the mosque in front. So what we're doing is we're using exposure bracketing. So we're taking a neutral exposure and then exposures above and below, so an underexposed and an overexposed exposure, and then blending them together afterwards to deal with the highlights and the shadows. Okay, so multiple shots of the same composition, exposure bracketing.
Awesome.
Amazing sunset. Look at that.
Yeah, incredible. Really incredible. Marco!
Hey, Marco!
Color!
Oh, amazing. Look at the sunset, man.
Woo!
Come on.
Yeah.
Any better than that?
No.
It doesn't get any better than that.
Okay, flight is going away and now we're waiting for the blue hour and the mosque to turn white. Well, and this is being our plan for the day. And as always, if you like this video, give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next Wednesday in another video. And remember that you have the power to imagine, plan, and shoot legendary photos. Bye bye from Abu Dhabi. Oh, by the way, the blue hour was amazing.